Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 113. Dear Sir, thank you for your prompt reply to my letter regarding the syllabus of the Southern Institute. Full stop. I am anxious that my nephew should join on the resumption of the classes. Full stop. He was to have begun last session, but was obliged to postpone the matter through sudden illness, which caused us considerable anxiety. Full stop. Unless I am mistaken, I have had the pleasure of meeting Professor Lawson, the principal of the institute, and I shall call upon him next week to arrange about textbooks, and to obtain his sanction to the course which I wish my nephew to take. Full stop. Thank you, also, for the invitation to the opening ceremony. Full stop. I shall certainly be present at the function if it is at all possible. Full stop. The program is very tempting, and I presume I may bring a friend. Full stop. If I am not mistaken on this point, perhaps you will kindly send a postcard to that effect. Full stop. Yours truly.